In this video, I will show you how to fix an error in Rockstar Games Launcher that appears after launching the GTA 5 game through Epic Games. This Epic Games account is already linked to a different social club account. Please log in with that social club account instead. This is a Rockstar Games and Epic Games account linking error. There are two ways to fix this error. The first method is very simple. This error appears because you entered the wrong email into Rockstar Games. You'll need to enter the email and password for your Rockstar Games account, which is linked to your Epic Games account. Try entering the same email and password as you would in Epic Games. Click on the Epic Games account icon and select the account section. After that, you will open the Epic Games website and account settings. There you will see the email of your Epic Games account. You may have used this email to register and link your Rockstar Games account. Or try remembering the email you typed into Rockstar Games after purchasing the GTA 5 game from Epic Games. You can't unlink or link to another account because the game has already been activated. But if the first method didn't work for you, then try the second method. Go to the Rockstar support website and select Account Support. Select Social Club Account and select Account Linking. Log into any Rockstar Games account to email support. After that, select Epic Games Launcher and click on the Epic Games account icon. Select the account section. After that, you will open the Epic Games website and account settings. There you will see the ID of the purchased game. Copy it, paste it into the first field to fill in the text. And in the second field of filling in the text, write a text asking for the email that is linked to your Epic Games account, if you don't remember it. After that, Rockstar Games will tell you the email address that is linked to your Epic Games account where you purchased the GTA 5 game. The first way helped me because I forgot my email, and after entering the correct email into Rockstar Games, I was able to launch the GTA 5 game through Epic Games. That's all. If this video helped you, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.